What walk pass? I have no walk pass. What's that walk pass? I have no walk pass. What's that walk pass? Guys, sa mga nandiyan na, ay tapos na pala. Yan, panghuli na lang. Why are you used? I'm Whitey. I'm here in Whitey. I'm using Whitey, YouTube. Why? Here in YouTube. I'm only using YouTube. Premier Dan, and mega shout out host Gina Ramos Mix Channel. Thank you so much, Sir ASC, sa pagsugod sa Premier. Hindi na makaduktot. Evelyn Suway Bagyo, mega shout out, sabi ni Sir ASC. Kakulit bagay yan. Kinukuha yung aking WhatsApp. What is the white? What do you mean white? Where's the white? Here? This is the Wi-Fi. You're asking that that is a Wi-Fi. The white is not it. Parang pangit ng pangalan niya nung sa Reyes Ibera. Parang iba na sa isip. Salamat tayo si Variety, sabi ng Ma'am Evelyn. Ayun, Ma'am Evelyn, baba ka ng link video mo. Ayan, thank you so much guys sa lahat ng mga sumugod sa ating premiere. Yeah, I'm using any IDs. I have many IDs. You want to see my ID? Virat? I have SSS ID. I have national ID, voters ID. What ID you want? I have many IDs here. Voters, national ID, SSID, hotels ID. I have student ID. You want to see my student ID? My SSID? You want to see my student ID? Ate Gina, nakalive po ako doon sa kanina sa doon po ako kanina sa premiere. Saan kaya si Kabayan? O hindi ko rin alam na loves. Naghanap siya sa akin ng ID o. Ayan, April says Kapay Angel Rosario, Miran, Music, Megalabs at yan, sabi ni Sir ASC. Host, maraming salamat. Wala ka naman, Sir Atnad. Ayan, kung may mga ano kayo give me a ID, not a joke. I can't give you my ID because that's mine. I'm not joking also. What you want ID? What ID you want? Andito sa rooftop naman siguro. Nasa rooftop. Virat is asking my ID. I can't give him my ID because this is mine. This is my ID. My national ID. My SSID. Gusto niyang makuha. You're asking my ID. Virat. Don't ask for my ID because this is my ID. This is only mine. You have your own ID, okay, Virat?